Hello, hope you're doing good. Hope you're eating well. I made a series of mistakes from 2011 with the wrong choices of returning to India in spite of SharePoint work in Pittsburgh. My parents were putting pressure to come back, and I had started reading about spirituality and foolishly thought that India was a land of spirituality. Instead of joining another company or at least working on Microsoft technologies, I was wasting time and money on spirituality. I was attending funny satsangs or talks on God, which confused me totally and had even lost my clarity. I was trying to find the hobbies from 2014 to 2015, and finally I realized that Microsoft is what I love to do. The stupid RK Mutt at Chennai told me to leave everything to find God, to go to Kunnur to serve another lady, and I foolishly did that. I also had made huge unwanted donations. That lady had knew nothing about God, was harassing the poor, and also harassed me through words. And I was doing jobs which I never wanted to do. I was forced to bow down before her and others, and when I disobeyed, RK Mud had plotted to kill me. I do not know for what. They gave me an unwanted. I had tried to run away from them many times, but they made me stay there and they gave me an unwanted injection. I was so energetic on Jan 2014, and the moment they did that, I suddenly lost the consciousness and the energy and I was going through something which was worse than that. I was then hospitalized by my parents and my sister and brother, and the doctors did not know the cause and harassed me with merciless injections. I've stopped the medications and felt that I can heal myself without medicines, where medicines always have side effects. No one knew that the injection was the cause. When I was dying, a large amount of money was taken in the name of donation from my account. I am alive now. I cannot rest in peace until they are exposed to the light and given proper punishment for their crimes. These monsters call themselves God and are doing something evil, and only Lord is protecting me. The police in Chennai did not help, and I heard from friends that these had politicians and police under their control. They tried to enter my mind in the name of some mantra recital which was not needed. After attending these satsangs, I could not think clearly and I want them to be arrested as soon as possible. I was so happy and cheerful in USA and I was blessed with the best of everything. Here in India, I went in search of truth and I lost so many hard earned money, things, my joy, and even gained pain. In India, my parents never let me live. They hurt me many times, even physically, when I told them of my decision to live single. My parents forced me to get married and I had to shave my hair off to protect myself. One day, the people outside came and I helped me. And I cried when both my parents started hitting me very badly and I could not breathe. They were crushing me. Thankfully, listening to my screams, somebody from below came and helped me and saved me. The neighbors were ready to help that day, but I decided to live on my own and I got an opportunity to work in Microsoft technology in another place in Kerala. I went off after giving a police complaint. We have not taken any action because even now, recently, my mother tried to abuse me or harass me through the phone. During the tough times from 2013 to 2016, many friends, families, spiritual institutions treated me like dirt, misused and abused me. I realize now that when I'm far away from them, I was analyzing for 3 years what was the problem. And I realized recently that not dirt, but people getting treated like dirt is the problem. I was not at peace until I get back the amount from all the RK money claiming to be gods and who went to the extent of killing me to get my money. I went through unknown suffering after Brahmakumari visit and Lord only knows the cause. Thankfully, one of my friends in USA stopped me from doing that. I am fine now after praying to Jesus or Mary, where most of my sufferings are just vanishing and I feel a tremendous protection and I feel safe and secure now. Thank you.